What's up, guys? Today we are in Tennessee because we evacuated from the hurricane in Florida. That is Wednesday. So they're playing games over there. We're chilling on the couch. Yeah. If y'all are still in Florida, which there's some of y'all, but there was a lot of traffic on the way up here. But if y'all are still in Florida, I'm praying for y'all and hope y'all are completely safe. So yeah, bye.